Hello children, how are you all? You know why I have come here today? To tell you about farm animals. In fact, I will show you the farm animals. For that, we have to go to the farm. Okay? But before that, you have to know what are farm animals. Isn't it? Now, what are farm animals? Farm animals are those animals that are raised in the farm, or you can say farm animals are those animals that are found in the farm. We get milk, fish, meat and eggs from them. Okay, so now let's go to the farm to see some farm animals. Hello children, come, now we will see some animals in this farm. Okay, so let's find out. Oh, what is that? I can see an animal over there. Which animal that could be? It's a cow. A cow. I like drinking cow milk in the breakfast. I can see another animal there. Which animal is that? It's a horse. Horse. Horses run really fast. Let's see some other animal. Yes, what is that? It's a sheep. The sheep. The sheep is so soft. Oh, what is that? It's a hen. Hen. Hens lay eggs. Let's see what we have over there. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. I love rabbits. There I find another animal. What could it be? Yes, it's a donkey. Donkey. Donkey says hee-haw, hee-haw. What is that near the tree? It's a goat. Goat. Goats have horns. So children, by now you know so many farm animals. You have seen them. Now your work is, you will take a sheet of paper and you will write the names of the farm animals that you have seen today. Okay, thank you children.